Your tyres are the only part of your car that actually touch the road, so keeping the right tyre pressure is essential for safety, performance and fuel economy. The Highway Code makes it clear that tyres must be correctly inflated to the vehicle manufacturer's specification for the load being carried. Tip 1. Check regularly. Tyre pressure should be checked at least once a month and always before long journeys. If you can check weekly, that's even better. Don't wait until a warning light comes on. By then, it could already be dangerously low. We'll carry on with the rest of the tips in a moment. First, tell me, how often do you check your tyre pressure? Regularly? Only before long trips? Or rarely at all? Please give your honest answer in the comments. Remember to subscribe for more weekly Drive Smart tips, and in case you missed it, check out our last video on avoiding collisions with deer and other wildlife. Tip 2. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always use the recommended pressure from your vehicle's handbook or the sticker that's usually found in the driver's door. Too low or too high can affect handling, braking and tyre wear. Tip 3. Account for seasonal changes. Cold weather can lower tyre pressure, while hot conditions can raise it. A quick check during seasonal shifts can prevent nasty surprises on the road. Tip 4. Don't forget the spare. If your car has a spare tyre, check that too. It won't be much help if it's flat when you really need it. Tip 5. Other tyre checks. Whilst checking your tyre pressures, take a bit of time to ensure you have sufficient tread depth across the central 3/4 of the breadth of the tyre, and a continuous band all the way around the tyre. Also look for cuts, defects or anything penetrating the tyre. Check out our powders video for more essential pre-drive checks. Tyre pressure may seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in keeping you, your passengers and everyone else on the road safe. A few minutes with a pressure gauge can save you from a breakdown or even an accident, so make it part of your routine. If you found these tips useful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly Drive Smart advice. Stay safe and keep those tyres in check.